Introducing Restore Plus, cosmetic insurance for your vehicle. We all know scuffs, scratches and dents not only lessen the appearance of your vehicle, it also affects the resale value. Gen 3 Restore Plus was created to save you high repair costs without the loss of your vehicle for days on end whilst it's being repaired. Our repair network will come to your home or place of work and restore the vehicle to its original condition before the damage occurred. The key benefits are you can make an unlimited amount of claims up to £3,000 aggregate and up to £500 a claim. You avoid high body shop repair costs and it protects your no claims discount. All repair work is guaranteed for life whilst you own the vehicle, and all repairs carried out at your convenience either at your home or at a place of work. It maintains the vehicle appearance, which helps your vehicle's residual value. Should the damage be beyond a cosmetic repair and your vehicle needs to go to a body shop to be repaired under an insurance claim, then £250 is paid towards your insurance excess. Talk to your dealer now about Restore Plus, the best cosmetic insurance for your vehicle.